Trump threatens new 50% tariff on China on top of reciprocal duties. So, there's been a lot of buzz about the new 50% tariff threat on China. What sparked this?
It all started when China announced a retaliation against U.S. tariffs, which led to Trump's aggressive stance on social media.
Right, and he mentioned that if China doesn't withdraw its tariff increases by April 8, there will be additional tariffs effective the next day. That's pretty bold.
Exactly. Trump's tariffs are aimed at rebalancing trade and rebuilding domestic manufacturing, as he claims that other countries have been taking advantage of the U.S.
But the stock market reacted negatively, right? I heard the Dow dropped 1,200 points on Monday.
Yes, and the S&P 500 is heading towards a bear market, which is a significant concern for investors and the economy overall.
And some financial forecasts are suggesting that a recession is becoming more likely. Goldman Sachs even mentioned a dramatic slowdown in economic growth.
That's correct. They cited tightening financial conditions and increased policy uncertainty as major factors affecting capital spending.
What about the Federal Reserve? I heard they are considering cutting interest rates due to these developments.
Indeed, the Fed is in a wait-and-see mode, but there are expectations for at least 4 rate cuts this year to address inflation concerns.
This is such a complex situation. What does this mean for global trade?
Well, the European Union is already looking to focus on trade with other nations, indicating that they see vast opportunities outside of the U.S.
Did you hear about the recent conversation between Trump and the Japanese Prime Minister regarding trade negotiations?
Yes, I did. Trump expressed dissatisfaction on Truth Social, claiming Japan treats the U.S. poorly on trade, particularly with cars.
Exactly. And the Prime Minister voiced strong concerns that tariffs could discourage Japanese investment in the U.S.
That's right. Japan has been the largest investor in the U.S. over the past 5 years, making this a critical issue.
And White House trade advisor Peter Navarro mentioned that countries need to make structural changes beyond just lowering tariffs.
He did. He pointed out that non-tariff barriers are a significant concern, using Vietnam as an example of the complexities involved.
It's fascinating. Meanwhile, there's some infighting within Trump's coalition, especially with figures like Bill Ackman criticizing tariffs.
Ackman expressed frustration over what he sees as a major policy error that could jeopardize economic progress due to tariffs.
And then there's Elon Musk, who seems skeptical about the impact of tariffs on his business, Tesla.
Exactly. Musk advocates for a zero-tariff situation between Europe and North America, which he believes would be beneficial.
Interesting how Navarro responded to Musk, suggesting he might not fully understand the broader implications.
Indeed. It highlights the differing perspectives on tariffs and their impact on various sectors of the economy.